Hello, today I will introduction this AD ultrasound hifu machine. Enter the interface. This machine have two handles. This one is VMAX, and the next one is the hifu. This one for hifu. Okay, then this system you need to scan code. You need to put this number in here. E A C 1 2 6 E 2 1 2 9 A 0 FD 5 A. This VMAX interface you need to you can see three model here. The first model is to one circle. The model 2 you can see this model is a half of circle. You can see, and the last model is only 1 point. Okay, we will try the model one by one. You can see the model 1. This one is the one circle, and you can see this one is the total soap you use, and this one you can adjust the energy here, and this one is the tip, the cartridge is the total 40,000 soap here. Okay, let's install the handle with the cartridge like this, and you can see this machine with two cartridges. One is 1.5 and another one is 3.0. Put this cartridge in the handle here. Use the 1.5 to do the text. Use the model one circle here. Adjust the energy. Okay, we put some gel on your skin. On the circle is 8 points here. Start. Turn on the button here. Okay, we do the text on the skin. Put some gel. Then start here. I need to do the text. We do the text for the skin. Then this function can do the fat lifting and the enter wrinkle. The model 2 is more which the half of circle is only 4 points here. You can see this one is use 15.6. Okay, you can see we total use the 15.6 soaps, and this one is 4 soap. Only use 4 soap. Okay, total we use 4 soap in this. Okay, enter the model 3. You can see here, address the area you can use. How many soap you can use here to do the test. This part is recommend source. For each part you can use. You can use this one to do the text. Okay, enter the hifu handle. This handle includes 6 cartridges. This one is X 4.5 and this one is X 1.5 and the last one is the X3. X means single rows, and this one is W6 and W13 and W3. W mean is multi rows. The max rows is A row. Okay, you need to adjust. This cartridge is 6X3. It means only can do one line here, one row here. Then adjust the intensity here. You need to adjust the number of the row. Okay, how to install the cartridge? Turn on this button. We use the W3. How to install the cartridge here? Okay, enter the interface. You can adjust the pitch here. And the row. How many rows you need to use? This one is 3 rows. And the length here. And this one is the rows total number here. Enter the adjust the energy. Start. Okay, we use the 3 rows in this treatment. Turn on the button. Okay, when we start to do the treatment, you can see the row in the treatment. can adjust the maximum is 2.0 and the maximum is 0.1, and we start 1.2 if enough to start. Okay, this is how to operate this machine. If you have any question, please contact us. Thank you.